catching up on housework because I feel like life has been moving at 90 miles a minute. Between the trenches of Maycember and 20 million school events a week and meetings and appointments and all the things in between, I just feel like I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off, and I really need today, okay? I need a day with no makeup, no expectations to leave the house, all the kids at school, and just to get house like piles of things that I bought and I'm not ready to put away, or maybe I need to return them. So yeah, we're getting through it today. I remember when I was a kid, my mom used to have piles of paper everywhere, like on the kitchen counter, on the dining room table, this and that. I would always think in my head, like, why does this woman always have piles everywhere? Like, girl, just get rid of it, do something with it. But I am here to humbly say that I get it, I understand, I am she and she is me. Them little piles, I guess, just come with adulthood. Anyway, we are officially 1 week away from sweet summertime. And I hear a lot of people complain about summertime. They don't know how they're gonna get through the summer. And look, I use the sports schedules, every single schedule, and the time frames and the driving and the chauffeuring. One thing about summer is I feel like I have free will.